Hi there, students. Equable. Okay, equable is an adjective. It means that there is not a great deal of variation. It's something that doesn't change very much. It's something that's quite uniform. So, if you live in the northern hemisphere as I do, the amount of daylight changes according to the season. In winter, the days are short, in summer, the days are long. However, if you live on the equator, the length of the days is equable. So the day and the night, they're normally 12 hours of day, 12 hours of night, and there is very little change in that number. That number is equable. It doesn't change. Or maybe there is a race between two cars and one car is ahead and the other car is behind, but they are an equable distance apart. The car behind can't catch up and the car in front can't get any further away, so the distance doesn't change. So there are no extreme variations. So a place could have an equable climate. I believe the Canary Islands, for example, or Tenerife, they have a very equable climate. It's always nice and warm. The temperature doesn't vary too much. It doesn't get extremely hot and it doesn't get extremely cold. So an equable climate. You could talk about somebody's character or somebody's temperament. He has an equable temperament. He doesn't get upset. He's always relaxed and calm about things. So if somebody says you've got an equable temperament, this is a good thing. Yeah, despite the fact that the circumstances are difficult, you are calm and cheerful and treat other people reasonably. You don't shout at them some days. You don't have days when it looks like you've got out of bed for the wrong side. So it's he is a very equable and patient person. It's very nice to work with him. He has a very equable temper. He's very even-tempered. He's agreeable. He's calm and composed. He doesn't get upset. He wasn't prepared to deal with me equably. He was too angry, and his anger was interfering with his equability. Yeah, with his quality of being equable. Okay, an equable climate. Okay, it has an even temperature. There are no sudden changes. So equable, constant, regular, stable. It doesn't change very much. Okay, so an equable person, somebody who doesn't get angry very easily. I think parents need to be as equable as they can, even if looking after children can be a difficult thing. Okay, he was equable in everything he did. Okay, so he was naturally equable. It didn't change. The temperature in the room was equable and was quite comfortable and nice. Okay, so a person not easily disturbed, not easily angered, calm and even-tempered. He looked like a very serious person, but he was actually had quite an equable temperament, an equable climate, not fluctuating greatly, not changing suddenly. Okay, something that is equable, is uniform and free from changes. Unvarying, an unvarying climate, a calm person, an equable person, even-tempered and calm, consistent, regular. Okay, formality, equable. 6.57, 6.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from Latin aequabilis, from aequo, to make level, aequus, even, level. Level temperature, level-headed, equable. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Equable.